In this episode, I want to talk about these PFD first aid kits. These are just some essential things, quick to access items that you can carry inside your PFD. I'm going to talk about what's in it, how to store it, and how I put in my PFD in this video. You should have a bigger first aid kit, either in the back of your kayak or on a raft, full of all kinds of things, but this is the quick access. Some of it's stuff you want to get to pretty quickly in case something goes wrong. So I'm going to open this up and show you what's in it. This is just a little kind of waterproof pouch. It's pretty waterproof that I got on Uline, but you could also use a Ziploc bag or find something, whatever you want. And quickly what's in here, I have some triple antibiotic ointment, and you can buy these by the pouch. So just like one serving of it, one use of it. Also a couple Band-Aids, because you might have to use Band-Aids. This is just a quick fix a problem, really easy thing. I also have this thing called Tagaderm. That's the brand. I think it's called an occlusive dressing. It's waterproof. You can see through it. So if you have a bad cut, you can put this on it and it keeps water from splashing on it and affecting it. I've used this a bunch on the river. The worst time was a deep cut in my palm that I put it on. I had to put a new one on every day, but I kept it dry, which was key because it would have got really nasty. This big cut would have got really nasty if I hadn't had this. I love having these things with me. Also stereo strips, because they're light, they're simple. I took a paddle to the face right here, right between my eyes, I got a cut, and it bled all the way down. And we put these on at takeout, but I wish I had these with me that time that it happened. And if you do stereo strips and cover it with one of these, it's a pretty bomber solution. A glove. I could put 2 gloves in there, but just one in case you have to do something gross with blood. Having a glove just to protect yourself is nice. I chose to do just one because it kept it simple. And then Benadryl, if somebody has an allergic reaction, this is something you can do. And then aspirin. If somebody has a heart attack, it's something you can do. You might want to put Advil in there, Tylenol in there, whatever you want to do. That's just what I've chosen to do. And these are, again, they're just a single serving, single sizes, not a whole bottle of aspirin, not a whole bottle of Benadryl. And this is just a bunch of lightweight, simple stuff that can fit inside of this thing and you can have with you. Some of this stuff can help in an emergency. The Benadryl, the aspirin, some of it is just kind of nice to have in case of a cut. But it's a super simple, light first aid kit that will save you time and just getting into the bigger first aid kit when you have it with me. It's also, as a guide, super professional. If you're like, oh, you need a Band-Aid, pull it out, there's a Band-Aid. Oh, you need triple antibiotic, boom, there it is. To have these kind of things accessible is really nice. Where I store it is different than every PFD. So this is my go-to PFD right now. This is a Stolquist Descent. There's a sweet pocket, you kind of see it. This thing fits in perfectly in the back of this PFD. So in the back of the pocket. Now a lot of these have big pockets, it'll shove it in there somehow. They fit really well in Descent, at least this size does. But my favorite place to put it is in these newer PFDs that are kind of getting it. The first one is the Astral Indus, and I'm not sure if you can tell here, but there's a little pouch that has a $sign on it behind you. And so this is something you can put behind. You have to take your PFD off to get to it, but it's out of the way, it's flat. This is probably meant for your passport and money while you're traveling, but a great place to put a first aid kit. Also the Palm Nevis has this really sweet Velcro pouch that's pretty long that goes behind you. That I shove my first aid kit in there as well so that I can get to it pretty easily. Like you have to take your PFD off to get to it, but it's fairly quick to get to. Then I have it kayaking and rafting all the time ready to go. This little pouch on the Nevis is so big, if you wanted to, you could put a SAM splint in there. And you could put a lot more first aid stuff in there. I feel like PFD should have these pouches. They're easy to add and super simple. So those are my thoughts. These are all items you kind of have to buy in bulk. You can't just buy one little package of this stuff or one little Benadryl or one little aspirin like this. You have to buy a box of them. So as a club, a guiding community, a bunch of friends, you could all do this together, get together on a Tuesday night, buy a bunch of this on Amazon or wherever you want to buy it, and then get some pouches, make these as a team, and then put things in there you think you want more, take things out, do whatever you want. First aid kits, in my opinion, are very personal, based on your experience and your training, and the kind of things you're doing. Put things that are flat, simple to use, that you want to get to for a first aid kit, a PFD first aid kit. That's it. Thanks for watching. As always, I love the comments, especially on videos like this. Tell me things you might add into here that I'm not thinking of. I'd love to get your thoughts. And as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.